when I just want to look at your face. With the stars in the night, there are times when I just want to feel your embrace. In the cold of the night, I just can't believe that you are mine now. You are just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Nice set up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Oh, happy birthday. Ikaw dapat manong dali ka ulit. Picture, picture.
How is it?
Thank you.
baliktad.
Happy birthday to you. Tika na birthday to you.
Ng ating celebration. Actually, this is a double celebration.
Anything in this world.
Today is the new journey and challenges of my life. Jenny.